interestingly enough, Roush does not include any printed instructions in their kit, and they just said to look it up online, and true enough, it's here all on their website, all 72 pages of it. There you go, that's all of it, and in full color too. Okay, I guess they're doing their part to save the environment by not printing the instructions and having it online. Shit, that's a lot of instructions. Baliktad na yung intake manifold nito. Yung lumang Mustang nandito sa taas, tapos pababang ganyan. Ito baliktad, pakapakit, tapos pa ganun. Well, here's some observation about the latest Mustang versus the older Mustang which we have done. Manifold is significantly different. They're still both 5.0 V8s, but I'll show you what the difference is with a very simplified drawing. So this is a very simplified diagram of what the intake manifolds look like and compared with the old Mustang and what the latest Mustang has. This is up to about the 2014 Mustang, and this is the latest one. As you can see, the manifold of the 5.0 here is pretty much straight and it bolts on. The latest one actually is a lot fatter and thicker. So the air goes in here, then goes straight here. What this does is the air goes here and goes out there, which has a longer path. This long runner actually makes a lot more torque and horsepower and gives a lot better flow than the old one. So that's the reason why also that when we were able to dyno this thing, this was about 360 wheel horse stock. The latest Mustang on our dyno makes 460 wheel horsepower stock. So in a span of about one generation, there's 100 horses more. Pretty amazing if you ask me. Okay, it's the end of day 2 of our supercharger install on our Mustang, and then interestingly enough, we learned a few things. That this Coyote engine actually has 16 injectors. That was quite a revelation. Apparently, here's what's happening. The Roush kit comes with a set of 8 additional bigger injectors, which goes here on the manifold itself with the cooler. So this injectors go here, but what you don't see is that there are additional 8 injectors under this manifold which power the direct injection system. we've seen this system before on the Toyota 86. What most people don't know is that this 4-cylinder car has 8 injectors, so it's basically the same system here on the Mustang, only doubled. So that was one of the things I was wondering, that when we ordered this kit, is that you have bigger injectors but you don't have a bigger fuel pump. Well, now we know why. The primary injectors here that inject into the manifold are more than enough to supply the extra fuel, and then the direct injectors below give that extra oomph when the piston's on the very top. It's also why this V8 engine makes probably 100 horse more than the previous generation V8, because of all these things. And yeah, very good learning experience, and stuff like that you don't really know until you start working on the car. This stuff you never read on the internet.